Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make Minecraft thumbnails. First, you need a good screenshot from Minecraft. Open your world, set your graphics to high, and use F1 to hide the HUD. Position your camera so the subject is centered and take the screenshot. Make sure the scene is bright so the details stand out. Next, open a free editing program like Canva, Pixlr, or Photoshop if you have it. Create a new project with a size of 1280 by 720 pixels. This is the official YouTube thumbnail size. Now import your screenshot. Place it so it covers the whole canvas. If the background looks too dark, adjust the brightness or contrast to make it pop. After that, add your character or a Minecraft render. Many creators use PNG images of Minecraft characters or mobs with transparent backgrounds. You can find these online or use a skin viewer to create your own. Place the character on one side of the thumbnail so there is space for text on the other side. Now add bold text. Use short words like survival, hardcore, or episode 1. Keep the text large and easy to read, even on small screens. Choose colors that contrast with the background. For example, white or yellow text on a dark background works well. Add a drop shadow or outline so the text stands out more. If you want, add extra elements like swords, blocks, or arrows to point at something important. Do not overload the image. Keep it simple and clear. When you are done, export the thumbnail as a high-quality JPG or PNG. Upload it with your video on YouTube. The key to a good Minecraft thumbnail is brightness, bold text, and one main subject. Keep practicing, and you will find a style that matches your channel. Thanks for watching.